Welcome to our channel. If you're on the hunt for the perfect mascara, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best mascaras available at Sephora. Whether you're after intense volume, dramatic length, or a flirty curl, these top 5 picks have got you covered. So, let's explore each one to help you find your new favorite. Kicking off our list at number 1, Benefit, They're Real. Magnet. The Benefit, They're Real Magnet Mascara is designed to deliver extreme length and lift with a revolutionary formula. It features a magnetic brush that works in tandem with its innovative formula to create lashes that appear fuller and longer. Key features: they're real. Magnet boasts a powerful magnetic brush with a unique formula containing magnetically charged pigments. This mascara provides maximum lift and length while defining each lash for a dramatic, wide-eyed look. Its formula is also resistant to smudging and flaking. Benefits and usage: ideal for achieving bold, lifted lashes, this mascara is perfect for everyday wear or special occasions. The formula ensures that your lashes stay elongated and defined throughout the day. It is particularly suited for those seeking a dramatic, eye-catching effect. Usability: applying, they're real. Magnet is easy thanks to its magnetic brush, which ensures even distribution of the formula. The brush separates and coats each lash thoroughly without clumping. It's suitable for sensitive eyes and delivers an intense, long-lasting finish. Durability: this mascara offers excellent staying power, maintaining its dramatic look without smudging or flaking. It is designed to withstand long wear, making it a reliable choice for all-day wear. Removal is straightforward with a gentle makeup remover. In the second spot, we have Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara is celebrated for its ability to provide a balance of volume, length, and curl. With its unique double-sided brush and nourishing formula, it delivers a comprehensive lash enhancement. Key features: Lights Camera Lashes features a double-sided brush designed to both volumize and separate lashes. The formula contains natural ingredients like rice bran wax and provitamin B5, which help condition and strengthen lashes while adding lift and volume. Benefits and usage: perfect for creating a well-defined look with added volume and curl. This mascara is versatile for both daily wear and special occasions. It provides a full, dramatic effect while ensuring lashes remain conditioned and strong throughout the day. Usability: applying Lights Camera Lashes is seamless with its innovative brush that allows for versatile application. The formula builds well, enabling you to achieve a more intense look without clumping. It is suitable for sensitive eyes and delivers a balanced, full appearance. Durability: the mascara offers reliable staying power, maintaining volume and curl throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, making it ideal for long wear. Removal is easy with a gentle makeup remover or warm water. Coming in at number 3 is the Lancôme Monsieur Big. Lancôme Monsieur Big Mascara is known for its ability to deliver intense volume and dramatic length. Its oversized brush and rich formula provide bold, full lashes with a single application. Key features: Monsieur Big features a large, soft brush designed to coat each lash with its creamy, volumizing formula. The mascara provides immediate impact with up to 12 times more volume, thanks to its formula enriched with soft waxes and intense black pigments. Benefits and usage: ideal for creating a dramatic, voluminous look. This mascara is perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. It provides bold, defined lashes with a single coat, and its formula ensures long-lasting results without clumping. Usability: applying Monsieur Big is effortless with its oversized brush that delivers even coverage and intense volume. The formula builds well for a more dramatic effect and is suitable for sensitive eyes. It ensures a striking, full lash appearance. Durability: the mascara offers long-lasting volume and definition, resisting smudging and flaking throughout the day. It maintains its bold effect without fading or losing impact. Removal is straightforward with a gentle makeup remover or warm water. Taking our fourth spot is Urban Decay Perversion. Urban Decay Perversion Mascara is renowned for its intense black formula that provides bold volume and length. With its creamy, buildable formula and full brush, it delivers dramatic lashes with a striking finish. Key features: Perversion features a full, fluffy brush that coats each lash with its rich, creamy formula. The mascara is formulated with ultra-black pigments for an intense look and includes buildable ingredients that allow for customizable volume and length without clumping. Benefits and usage: perfect for those seeking a dramatic, eye-catching look, Perversion delivers full, voluminous lashes. It is suitable for both everyday wear and special occasions, providing intense volume and definition. The formula ensures lashes are well-defined and full throughout the day. Usability: applying Perversion is easy with its large brush that ensures even coverage and volume. The formula builds well for a more intense look without clumping. It is suitable for sensitive eyes and provides a bold, defined lash appearance. Durability: the mascara offers excellent staying power, maintaining its intense black effect without smudging or flaking. It provides long-lasting volume and definition throughout the day. Removal is simple with a gentle makeup remover or warm water. And finally, at number 5, we have Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara is designed to provide voluminous lift and long-lasting curl. With its innovative brush and advanced formula, it delivers beautifully defined lashes with a push-up effect. Key features: Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes features a unique brush with a comb-like applicator that separates and lifts each lash. The formula includes a blend of waxes and conditioning agents to add volume and length while keeping lashes flexible and full. Benefits and usage: ideal for achieving a lifted, voluminous look, this mascara is perfect for both daily wear and special occasions. It offers long-lasting curl and definition while keeping lashes conditioned and full. The push-up effect enhances the natural beauty of your lashes. Usability: applying Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes is effortless with its innovative brush that provides even application and separation. The formula builds well for a more intense effect without clumping. It is suitable for sensitive eyes and delivers a lifted, full lash appearance. Durability: the mascara offers impressive staying power, maintaining curl and volume throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, making it ideal for long wear. Removal is easy with a gentle makeup remover or warm water. Choosing the best mascara can make all the difference in achieving stunning lashes. From dramatic volume to intense length and perfect curl, these top 5 mascaras at Sephora are designed to enhance your look. Whether you need a bold statement or a subtle lift, these options provide exceptional results. Next time you're shopping for mascara, consider these top picks to find your perfect match for flawless, eye-catching lashes.